Indeed, lives and best in casual wear. How are you?
I'm doing great, and let me just extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and everyone who stood by just to watch this great and momentous event. Advance Happy Fiesta po.
Okay, well said, Angelica. You pick your question? Okay. Your question is like this. What is the essence of homosexuality for you? What is the essence of homosexuality for you?
The essence of being a homosexual is the fact of living life and how you make your life a worthy one. Because as a homosexual living in this world, we cannot deny the fact that yes, indeed, this is a cruel and challenging world of ours, wherein each and every homosexual may face any form of discrimination. Therefore, in order for you to become a productive individual, always instill within your hearts that respect begets respect. I am adhering and calling to each and every homosexual out there. If you want to open each and every one for acceptance, you should learn to love and respect yourself, because in return you will gain it. You will gain it even more. That is why right now I believe that one thing is for sure. Even though we are homosexual, it doesn't mean that we are a lesser person compared than anybody else. In fact, we take this sexuality as a challenge wherein we can prove to each and everyone that being a gay in this society will never a liability, but rather an asset in the society. Thank you.